Maybe I didn't love you quite as often as I could have. And maybe I didn't treat you quite as good as I should have. If I made you feel second best, girl, I'm sorry I was blind. But you were always on my mind. You were always on my mind. Maybe I didn't hold you all those lonely, lonely times. I guess I never told you that I'm so happy that you're mine. Little things I should have said and done, I just never took the time. You were always on my mind. You were always on my mind. Tell me that your sweet love hasn't died. And give me one more chance to keep you satisfied. I'll keep you satisfied. Little things I should have said and done, I just never took the time. You were always on my mind. You were always on my mind. You were always on my mind. You were always on my mind.
About the Virgin Mary, reminding me of you. The expectation left to come up to, yeah. Lady writer on the TV, yeah, she had another quality, the way you used to look. Then I know you never read a book, just the way that her hair fell down around her face. Does not fit. You talked to me when you felt like it, just the way that her hair fell down around her face. Then I recall my fall from grace. Another time, another place. Yes, and you're rich on